Okay, so here's my index.html page that I created. When I click on open with live server, this is what comes up over here. Okay. So the title of my page is God's Word. That's what they'll see over here. Um, Down here in the body is my header. H1 is my header tag. That is the biggest font size. You have H1 and H6. Um, You have to make sure that's in between an open and closed tag. Down here, I have two images. With a line break, otherwise the image would be side by side, but that makes the image down here. Below it, I use my image source. I copied the images, right-clicked, copied image off the internet, dropped it over here in my pictures folder. Then down here, I just put pictures, and then I'm able to click, the name of the image that I want. Over here, I put the width for 300 for this one. The width here, I think automatically came to 200. Um, After the image, I use the alt tag that makes the visually impaired. They're able, if they're using that on their computer, they're able to, it's able to read out what the image is saying. Down here, I use the href tag. That's a hypertext tag. It links a URL. It creates a link on the web page to lead to another web page, which would be right here. So when I click on that, it goes to my next page. To that. So over here, I got a different size font header tag, which is H2. Like I said before, H1 is the biggest, and then H6 is the smallest. So here I started an order list, which would be right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In between the ordered lists, I use the LI tag, which stands for list item. However many items you have in that list, it'll number them 1 through 5. If I use the UL tag, would be unordered list, it would put dots or instead of numbers. Oh yeah, the table. So then here we come to my table. I use the table tag. It's comprised of rows and cells, which is right here. I use the border. This is my border, the border tag right here. And then here's my table header, which is right here. Table row. TR stands for table row. That's items that will be in a row. For each row, the rows go horizontally, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Table header will be bold letters or bold numbers, whichever you use. And then you close that out at the table head, and then you use the table body, and then table row tag again, and then TD stands for table data. This will be the data under your headers. Then here I created a button tag with a URL link connected that will take you to my other pages. So over here, I go to contact us. And here, I created a form. Right? So if I click here on the form, I can enter all that stuff in there. The form tag is used to create a form, and then here you put your input type, text, then your name, what's going in there, and then your placeholder is what reads off to the person looking at the website. So here they want first name, last name, phone number, and email. Then the submit button right here, and then I double line break to put some space between the submit and the back. So back, back. There's my 3 images. Contact us, goes back to the third web page, and that's it.